Imagine you're standing at the crossroads of the crypto world. On one path, you see a sleek, modern building labeled Coinbase. On the other, a more rugged, DIY-looking structure marked Coinbase Wallet. Which one do you choose? Today, we're diving deep into the world of crypto wallets and exploring the key differences between Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what a crypto wallet actually is. Think of it as a digital safe where you store your cryptocurrencies. Just like a traditional wallet, it holds your assets, but instead of physical cash, it stores digital tokens. Now, why do we need two different types of wallets from the same company? It all boils down to the level of control and security you want over your funds. Coinbase, the all-in-one platform. Coinbase is like the one-stop shop for all your crypto needs. It's a centralized exchange, meaning it's a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a traditional stock exchange, but for digital assets. Here's what you can do with Coinbase. Buy and sell easily purchase and sell popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Trade engage in advanced trading strategies like limit orders and market orders. Store keep your crypto assets safe and secure within Coinbase platform. Earn participate in staking programs and earn rewards on your crypto holdings. Coinbase is great for beginners and those who prefer a more user-friendly experience. It's like having a trusted financial institution at your fingertips. Coinbase Wallet, the self-custodial option. Coinbase Wallet, on the other hand, is a decentralized wallet. This means you have complete control over your private keys, which are the secret codes that grant access to your crypto funds. Here's what makes Coinbase Wallet unique. Self-custody. You're the sole custodian of your funds, ensuring maximum security. Compatibility. Supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tokens. dApps. Interact with decentralized applications, dApps, built on the Ethereum blockchain. NFTs. Buy, sell, and collect non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Coinbase Wallet is ideal for experienced users who prioritize security and want more control over their crypto assets. It's like owning your own personal bank. Key differences. Let's break down the key differences between Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet. Centralization versus decentralization. Coinbase is centralized, while Coinbase Wallet is decentralized. Security. Coinbase offers good security, but Coinbase Wallet provides ultimate control over your private keys. Features. Coinbase offers a wider range of features, while Coinbase Wallet focuses on self-custody and dApp interaction. Ease of use. Coinbase is more user-friendly, while Coinbase Wallet requires a higher level of technical understanding. Choosing the right wallet. So, which wallet is right for you? It depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're new to crypto and want a simple, user-friendly experience, Coinbase is a great option. If you're an experienced user who values security and control, Coinbase Wallet is the way to go. In conclusion, both Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet offer unique benefits. Coinbase is a centralized exchange with a wide range of features, while Coinbase Wallet is a decentralized wallet that provides maximum control over your funds. Ultimately, the best wallet for you is the one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crypto enthusiast, understanding the differences between these two wallets will help you make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about crypto wallets, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy crypto investing.